Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making bread halva, or you may say bread pudding. Desserts are loved by almost everyone throughout the world, and these desserts are prepared using so many different recipes and various ingredients to create fabulous varieties, tastes, and flavors. Halvas, that is puddings, have a prominent place in list of desserts. These halvas are made in dozens of varieties in India using different recipes and ingredients. Today we are making very easy to make quick bread halva, or you may call it bread pudding also. This bread halva is very delicious and flavorful, and you may serve it as a breakfast dessert or as an after-meal dessert as well. Make this delicious variety of halva and serve to your dear ones. Everyone is going to ask for a second serve after eating first. We are making this yummy halva using 4 slices of breakfast bread. We are using brown whole wheat bread, but you may use any of your choice. Use white or whole grains bread or any other of your liking. Coarsely break or torn all bread slices into smaller chunks. Keep aside for a while. We also need few more ingredients other than bread slices. 3 to 4 tablespoon ghee, that is clarified butter, will be required. Amount of ghee depends on your liking, but it is usually used in abundance in making of good halvas. We also need 2 to 3 tablespoon sugar to sweeten halva. You may adjust the amount of sugar according to your taste. 1.5 to 2 cups of milk is also required. We are using full cream milk, that is 100% milk, or you may say whole milk. Using full cream milk is a must for best taste. Other than these main ingredients, we are using green cardamom for flavor and few nuts to add richness into halva. We are using cashew nuts and almonds. You may use any other nuts of choice or may omit them also, but adding nuts not only adds to richness but enhances taste also, and a little bite of nuts gives heavenly pleasure when added into smooth halva. Chop or slice cashew nuts and almonds into thin small chunks and keep aside for a while. Peel 6 to 8 green cardamoms and pound or grind cardamom seeds into powder. Reserve outer skin of cardamoms for any other use, or if you have cardamom powder ready on hand, use that. Keep cardamom powder also aside. Put a wok over medium heat with 1.5 to 2 tablespoon ghee in it. Allow ghee to melt completely. Add coarsely broken or torn bread slices chunks into melted ghee in wok. Stir well and toast bread chunks for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Toast while stirring and tossing occasionally, but frequently, until brown patches appear on bread pieces. Toasting or roasting of bread chunks well is a must so as to eliminate raw taste of bread. Carefully pour 1.5 to 2 cups of full cream milk over roasted bread chunks in wok. Stir well so as to allow bread chunks to soak milk well. Bring to a simmer. Now add sugar to taste. Add more if you want it to be much sweeter, or add lesser if you eat less sweet desserts. We have added 2.5 tablespoon. Cook and stir further while smashing bread chunks. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until almost all of milk is well soaked into bread. Keep on smashing chunks with spatula. Reduce heat to medium-low after all of milk is evaporated or well soaked in. Now add ground or pounded green cardamom seeds powder or cardamom powder. Stir to mix well and cook for a minute. Now add chopped or sliced nuts into halva. Stir to disperse nuts evenly. Cook and stir further on medium-low heat until halva starts to leave side walls of wok. Finally add 1 or 2 tablespoon ghee into halva. Adding ghee at this stage is absolutely optional and don't add if you are too much calorie cautious, but adding additional ghee into halva always takes the taste of it to another level. Stir well to mix and cook further for a couple of minutes to roast halva on medium-low heat, then turn off the heat. Delicious bread halva is ready. Transfer into serving bowl and garnish with additional halved cashew nuts or almonds if like to. Serve warm and enjoy. We hope that you have liked the recipe. Please click on the like button below and write your views on it in comments column for sure. Your feedback is really very important for us. If you are watching video on our channel for the first time, then please click on our photo on screen or click the red subscribe button below to subscribe. Also click on the bell button besides it so that you get automatic notifications of our all new videos. Thanks.